Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Samsung old devices not have flashlight button. How to on flashlight. This is Samsung Galaxy Cord 2 phone. This is 10-year-old. See not have any flashlight button. Turn on Wi-Fi or data connect internet. Go in Play Store. This phone is working old Play Store. Search simple flashlight. Install this first app. Click this flashlight button. Flashlight is on in Samsung old devices. Like and subscribe to this channel.